Right, I'm in a better frame of mind today, so let's see what Stoic wisdom we can get into as Epictetus Enchiridion for March the 6th. In public, avoid talking often and excessively about your accomplishments and dangers, for however much you enjoy recounting your dangers, it's not so pleasant for others to hear about your affairs. Yeah. Self-indulgent? What is it trying to say? Don't be regaling stories of yourself to everyone when there are better ways of connecting with people. Asking questions. Listening. Those are good qualities to strive for. And connecting with people that way. And then perhaps responding to what they say with parts of your own life that are relevant without going too deeply into it. Maybe. That's what I take from that. You take from it what you will. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.